Tablet Folding Case, for Kindle Fire, HD8 Tablet, by Timovo. Review. Are you looking for leather folding case, for Kindle Fire, HD8 Tablet? Leather Folding Case, by Timovo, is very popular, slim, folding PU leather stand, and cover. Here are some of the features that make it stand out. Fine craftsmanship, and secure protection. This cover provides strong protection to your device. The premium PU leather protects your device with a stylish and durable exterior, while the soft interior lining ensures your device's touchscreen and backing remain free of scratches. Full access to all features. Not only provides a secure fit, but also ensures full access to the buttons and ports. Everything from the camera and headphone jack, to the volume and power buttons. Also, an elastic stylus loop can hold your pencil securely. Pencil is not included. Auto wake and sleep, and magnetic closure. The case forces your device to sleep automatically. Alternately, open the cover to instantly wake up your device. The magnetic closure secures the device inside the cover and allows you to fold the cover back, so it stays out of your way. Stand design. The sturdy PU leather folds to optimal stand position to deliver hand-free experience for watching movie or typing. Adjustable stand offers multiple viewing angles, so you can easily adjust your tablet to the most comfortable angle. Functional and practical. Precise cutouts and openings for button controls, ports and camera allow easy access to all features. This is a protective case without adding bulk, and convenient to carry. Perfect for on-the-go. Easy installation and removal. Based on over 45 customer reviews and overall 4.8-star rating on Amazon. This is a popular, slim, folding PU leather stand and cover for Kindle Fire, HD8 Tablet. Here is what some of the users have to say about it. Perfect fit for my new Kindle Fire, HD8 Tablet. Fits our new Kindle Fire HD8 Tablet beautifully. The ports, cameras, and buttons all fit well with the case. Very pleased with this purchase, says Nicole Cardenas. Good value for the price. This is a great tablet case, and good value for your money. It also has nice magnetic clasp, so the cover doesn't open when it's in your bag. I love it, says Leticia Mesquita. Great case, and would buy it again. This is one of the best cases that I have gotten. It is so professional looking, with its premium leather case and stand cover. It even has the auto wake included with it, and a strap to go around it. I'm very impressed, and would buy from them again, says Stephen Daly. Stylish and sturdy. Looks good, and feels stylish, sturdy, and strong. It protects my new Fire tablet very well. Auto sleep and wake function works too. I'm quite pleased with it, says Carolyn Gumeyer. Big question. It fits okay, but it's not as snug, and the cutouts are weird, because the camera is upside down, says Merrily. Very bulky. This case does not fit well, and adds way too much bulk to the Fire tablet. Also, the cover does not close flat against the screen, because of the bend in the cover. Very disappointed, says PJH. Buy it on Amazon today. Click the link in the description.